Hello, this is a quick video to show you how to format a Google Doc in order to take Cornell notes. I'm on the My Pima webpage, and if you scroll down to the Launchpad, you'll see a Student Docs button. This is a quick entry into Google Docs. And you're going to select New, and then scroll down to Google Docs. This will bring you up a fresh new Google Doc. First, you want to give your Google Doc a title. I recommend typing Cornell Notes 4 and then put in the title of the lecture or even the title of the text that you're reading if you're taking Cornell notes over, say, a chapter in a textbook. Then you're going to click down on the document itself so you can type. Start by titling your notes again down here, title of the lecture or what you're reading. And underneath that, you're going to type the date. And in order to create your double column, you are going to insert a table. So come up here to the tabs and select Insert. Then you'll see a drop-down menu. Go to the second item, Table, and select it or click it. Slide over and you'll see these table templates. This allows you to select how many rows and columns you want in your table. You can select all kinds of different numbers, but for Cornell documents, you want a 2 by 1. 2 across and only 1 going down. And again, when you have got these 2 blue squares filled in, you're going to click or select, and that makes a nice little 2-column table here. Usually for Cornell notes, you want a smaller left-hand column than right-hand column. So go to the center bar and hover over it until arrows appear. That'll allow you to move the center line. Move it over to the left and go somewhere between 1.5 and 2. And by that, I'm looking up here at this ruler. And this will have you all set up to be able to have your left hand and your right hand column. So as you are going to be typing notes as you listen or as you read with spaces between different topics or subjects or main ideas. And when you're finished taking your notes, you go back, you read through the notes, and you pick out main ideas that you want to reflect in the left-hand column. Sometimes those main ideas could be a question that's answered in the notes over on the right, or it could be more of a topic or a label, just like a key phrase. In any case, whatever you're putting over on the left, you can click over into the left-hand column and type it directly across from the notes that go with it. And then you can go down and enter a new question or phrase or keyword. And this keeps you from having to tab or insert lines, any kind of issue like that. It's just a real quick, easy way to do this. When you're all done taking notes, or when you get too close to the bottom of the page, you're going to want to add a summary. So leave some space on the bottom of your page. Then you're going to click here below your table and just write the word summary And here's a space for a 2 to 3 sentence summary of the most important points that the author makes in the reading or that the lecturer makes during their lecture. And that's it. You have got yourself a quick and easy Cornell Note format created in Google Doc.